In this video, you will be learning how to join different Arabic alphabets. So let's get started. Look at this. It has one dot, and the one dot is of ba. So look at this. This is ba. This is the half shape of ba. Ba, and here this is lam. Ba lam, and this is again ba because it has one dot. Okay, ba lam ba. Say ba lam ba. The next word is, what is this? This is similar, ba. This is kaf. Kaf, ba, kaf, and the two dots, what is known as ta. Ba kaf ta. Ba kaf ta. And what about this? This is ta kaf tha. If you don't understand, pause the video and check it out. The two dots means ta. If the two dots at the top, it means ta, and if they are below the line, they will be ya. So ta, and this is kaf. The three dots, there are two letters which have three dots: sheen or sin, sheen or sa. So it is sa. Sa. Ta kaf sa. Say ta kaf sa. This is simple, ba alif. Say ba alif. What is this? Two dots and have a round shape, qaf. Qaf. It is qaf. This is wow. Qaf wow. Say qaf wow. What is this? The same, one dot means ba, and the three u, 1 2 u, and the one bigger u, you can say that this is seen. Seen, snake like sound. Seen. Ba seen. Say ba seen. What is this? Yasin. Say Yasin. And if the two dots are below the line, what happened if the two dot at the top? It will be then tasin. Say tasin. This is tasin, and this is yasin. What about this? This is sajim. Say sajim. Then what is this? Taha. Ha. How to pronounce ha? When air is coming out of your mouth. Ha. Ta ha. Say ta ha. What is this? One dot at the top. If the dot is at the bottom, it will be ba, but it is on the top. And what is this? Noon. Here it is. Noon. So this is the half shape of noon. Noon, and this is kha. Kha. Noon, kha. Noon, kha. What is this? Ba mim. Ba mim. Say ba mim. This is two dots below the line, so it is ya. Ya mim. Two dots below the lines, it means it is ya. Ya. Ya mim. Say ya mim. What is this? Tha mim. Three dots at the top. Tha mim. Tha mim. What is this? Ba, and this is the half shape of ya. Ba ya. Say ba ya. This is thaya. Tha, 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 ya. Tha, ya. What is this? This is one dot at above, so it cannot be ba. Obviously, it can be ba because it has one dot below the line. So noon ba, noon ba, lam. Okay, noon ba lam. Good. What is this? Two dot at the top means ta, and two dot at the bottom it means ya. Ta ya, and this is lam. Ta ya lam. Say ta ya lam. And this is sa lam. Sa lam. This is simple. Noon ba noon. What is this? Ta ya noon. Say ta ya noon. Two dots means ta and two dots means ya. If the dots are on the top, it means ta, and if below the line, it means this is ya. Ta ya. And the dot at the center, it will be noon. Ta ya noon. Try to practice again and again, because if you don't practice, you cannot learn these alphabets. And this is jim. The half shape of jim is like this. Jim. If there is ha, then it will be this, and if this is ha, the dot will be on the top. So jim ta. Say jim ta. And this is pa. This is ta, and this is pa. Pa ba. Say pa ba. Good. If there is za, then there will be dot. Za ba. Okay. And what is this? Bad ghain. This is bad, and this is ghain. Bad ghain. You observe that the half shape of ghain is changed like this. Like this is ghain, and it's changed to this one when it's connected with bad. So when it is connected with another word, its shape change a little bit. Bad ghain. And if there is ain, then it will be bad ain. Okay, there will be no dot, because ghain has one dot and ain has no dot. So if this means bad ain, and if there is dot, it means bad ghain. And this is two dots at the top, and this is ha because it has no dot, and this is ta. So it will be ta ha ta. Say ta ha ta. If what happened if I put two dots there and one dot there, like this, it will be ya jim. Okay, ya jim, and this is, you know, that ba. Ya jim ba. Okay, this is ba kha ta. Ba kha ta. And this is fa qaf lam. The previous was kaf, and this is qaf. Qaf. If you don't know the difference, I have another video, you can check it out. Qaf, kaf. So if you want to learn more, and then subscribe for my new videos. And one thing more, if you wanted, like, you have to check whether you are pronouncing right or wrong, you can also follow on Instagram and send me a voice message by recording your voices, like pronouncing fa, qaf, lam. You can just record your voice and send to me. I will be here for you. I will check it, and then I will be replying you.